So today we are going to discuss Redwood Accelerator. So Redwood Accelerator is the tool which can be used to migrate to simplified UI pages to Redwood pages. So as you might be aware, so after 26 days, Oracle is planning to decommission the simplified UI pages. So anyhow, we have to migrate to Redwood. So using this tool, we can migrate your simplified UI pages to Redwood within a very small span of time. So it is very quicker and it follows the Oracle best practices. So let's have a walkthrough. So it's a tool which can help you quickly migrate simplified UI to the Redwood UI. And it can reduce your efforts by 80% and it also minimizes the migration risk because it's most of the process is automated and it simplifies the development through standardization. And what are the supported objects? Currently, it's supporting account, contact, lead, opportunity, and the custom objects. So mainly the sales object, along with that, the custom objects it's supporting. Okay, so let's start with the implementation. So let's create a sandbox quickly. Okay, I'm creating a sandbox, select application composer, and let's click create and enter. Now let's click on tools, application composer. For my use case, I will migrate opportunity simplified UI dynamic layouts to Redwood. So I will go to the metadata manager first. And what I will do, I will download the configuration file. I will click generate and I will select my object that I am planning to migrate. So I am planning to migrate opportunity. I will select opportunity and generate. Okay, so it's generated. So I will click export and XML. So it's downloaded now. So as per implementation, we created sandbox, went to application composer, metadata manager, configuration report, and we click on the generate. We select the object that we want to migrate and export in the XML. So now let's go to the extension generator. So let's click on the extension generator, which will open in a new window. So for 25D or 26A, you might not be able to see that option. So what you will do, question mark, mode equal to migration. Let me do the same thing, question mark, mode equal to migration and click enter. So that means in your URL, you need to append question mark, mode equal to migration. Then only you can use the Redwood Accelerator tool. I'll click create new extension. Let's select the object that is the opportunity and let's click add. And now in here, I can see an option migrate legacy layouts. So click on plus and here let's drop the XML file that we downloaded. And let's click import. So I can see the import is done. So let's go to drill down to the opportunity. So here now I can see in the configure there is one option select legacy layouts. So see here you can see both the create layout and the detail layout. So it's up to you which layouts you want to migrate from simplified UI to the Redwood UI. For example, I want all these three, but from the detail page, I want only these one. That's it. So what I will do, I will click add. So layout selection edit. Also, if you want, you can add the panel and subviews. You can click on add, and here you can select the related object. But for my requirement, I just want to migrate the pages. So what I will click all objects and generate extension. So now the file is downloaded, the zip file, and this file I'm going to import into my workspace. Now I am into my workspace. So what I will do, I will click in here and I will click import. And that custom file is a file that I'm going to import in here. and click import. Okay, so import is done, import is successful. So let me commit these changes. Opportunity, layouts, ported. And let's migrate these changes. Let's click commit. So now if I go to the layouts, I should be able to see the opportunity changes. So here I can see opportunities. So here I can see there is a modification on the create layout and the edit layout. I can see two dots, right? So if I click on create layout, here I can see development officer, project bid layout. In the same way, if I go to the very slow edit layout, here I can see the layouts, right? So whatever was the sequence in the simplified way, same sequence it's going to follow here. Also, if you see if there was any role condition in the simplified UI, same role condition you can see in here. So it will save a lot of time, mainly, like putting the same condition in here. So as a summary, what we did, we went to application composer extension generator and we selected the object and clicked on migrate legacy layouts. Only the one catch is here, you need to add the mode equal to migration. Then you need to generate the file and import into your workspace. That's it. So the keynotes, it will keep the same role condition and sequence of the fields of the layout that we have already seen. It will not consider groovy expression written in the simplified UI dynamic layouts. That means, so here, for example, there is one layout where create project equal to Y. So that type of groovy expressions are not going to get migrated into the Redwood. So you need to re-implement these changes into the visual builder. Only the role condition is going to get migrated as it is. And it is available to migrate the legacy layouts to Redwood layouts. And that is very important part. The migration is one time pass per object. That means, like for example, if you've already imported the opportunity, and next time you want to import the rest simplified UI layouts of opportunity that you left last time. If you do it, then it will override your changes. So that means you should consider one object at a time. So at least if you're considering opportunity, consider all the layouts that you are planning to migrate. Hope that one is clear. If any query, just let me know. Thank you.